It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, 8 keto tips to make your life easier, part 2. Have in your life a few dishes and fat-rich sauces that you know how to make with your eyes closed. One of the biggest problems people have staying with the keto diet is when they get stuck without prepared food. Then it's so easy to grab the closest thing, and a lot of times that thing you grab is not on the keto diet. Another problem people have is when they get bored with eating the same thing over and over. Finally, your mind will make that an excuse to cheat. It's not really an excuse, but your mind will make it into one. No matter how much you like avocado and eggs, anything can become boring, sometimes on short notice. Find some great, easy-to-make recipes and do them until they are second nature and easy to whip up, especially sauces that are high fat and high flavor, like pesto, lemon cream sauce, and many more. And by the way, you can get a bunch of simple, amazing recipes for free. Just go to our website, rockthatketo.com, and sign up there, and we'll send them to you every day. Number 5, drizzle your food with olive oil. Olive oil or avocado oil or several other oils can be drizzled on anything to make it tastier and more satisfying. MCT oil is also highly recommended. MCT is short for medium chain triglycerides. That's a super healthy form of fat. My favorite is Brain Octane Oil, and it's made by Bulletproof, the same people who make Bulletproof coffee. I just use that in my meals, and it makes the food taste great, and it's super good for your brain. For years, we've been told to be healthy, we have to be low fat. It's just not true. It's the opposite of true, especially if you eat unsaturated vegetable oil. Saturated fats are supposedly bad, but even that has been called into question by some long-term studies. You want plenty of fats, but mainly healthy, high in monounsaturated fatty acid type fats. Healthy fats are absolutely necessary to the function of the human body. Yes, you can even have lots of bacon, but just like anything in life, don't overdo it. Everything in balance. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.